What's up you guys, my name is Jenny Lulayo and today I'm going to explain the index crime, complex crime, and composite crime. So first, we have index crimes. So these are crimes that are considered serious and significant, typically used as indicators of the crime situation in a particular area. They are mostly crimes against persons and property and are counted in official statistics. So there are 7 focus crime and 8 special complex crime. So the 7 focus crimes, so first, murder or unlawful killing with qualifying circumstances. Homicide, unlawful killing without qualifying circumstances. Physical injuries can be less serious or serious involving bodily harm. Rape, sexual assault involving force or coercion. Robbery, taking property with violence or intimidation. Carnapping, theft of motor vehicles like 4-wheeled vehicles, motorcycles, 2 or 3-wheeled, and theft, taking property without force or intimidation. And lastly is the 8 special complex crimes, also known as composite crimes, described further in section 11. So second is complex crime proper. So, a complex crime proper occurs when one act constitutes 2 or more grave or less grave felonies, or when an offense is necessary means for committing another. So example, if someone sets fire to a building to kill someone inside, arson is a necessary means to commit murder. So the last is composite crime or special complex crime. So this is a unique legal classification under the Revised Penal Code or RPC of the Philippines. These crimes consist of 2 or more component crimes, are treated as one indivisible offense, have specific provisions in law, meaning the combined act is punished differently than if the crimes were committed separately. So examples include, first is rape with homicide, kidnapping with homicide, kidnapping with rape, robbery with homicide, robbery with serious physical injury, robbery with rape, robbery with arson, and lastly, arson with homicide. So that's all. Thank you.